A few years ago, we were in this restaurant and we were ordering some drinks, and someone walked by with this shimmering blue cocktail. And I was like, what is that? So I asked the bartender, and he made me a blue Hawaiian. And I absolutely loved it. I thought it was fantastic. It uses this blue Curacao, and I never tried this before, but this is actually orange flavored, even though it's blue. And I started making these blue Hawaiians, and I fell in love with them. They're one of my favorite cocktails. So join me. Let's make a blue Hawaiian. So we're going to start out our cocktail by putting a little ice in our glass. And you can make this cocktail actually blended if you want to. Some people blend it. So the first thing we're going to use is a little bit of rum. And I just have some of the light rum. And we're going to put in 1 ounce. We're going to put in 1 ounce of our blue Curacao. Be careful, because I think everything will be blue. We want 3 ounces of pineapple juice. Put a little bit more ice in there. Yay! So next up, we're going to use 1 ounce of this cream of coconut. And basically, this is like, we used this in a can to make a pina colada before, but we're going to use it in this squeeze bottle. Got 1 ounce of cream of coconut. And we're going to give it a little stir. Get that cream of coconut down in there. I don't have one of those big long spoons. So I'm going to put a little bit more ice in there. I didn't want it to run over because I wasn't sure. I had made it in different glass before. We're going to put on a little wedge of pineapple. Yay. And I have some cherries here and a little swizzle stick. There we go. I'm gonna spear this bad boy. We're gonna put my cherry right there. Now let's have a taste. Now it's time to take a sip, but I'm gonna eat the cherry first. That's my appetizer. Yum. It's delicious. You can taste the sweetness, taste the orange and the pineapple and the rum. It's fantastic. And the coconut. Wow. Cheers, everyone. Happy 2018. The Blue Hawaiian. Try it. You'll love it. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook at Amy Learns to Cook. Cheers. Ooh, that's what we're talking about.